First, let's locate the spare tire. On 2005 to 2020 Nissan Frontiers, it's mounted underneath the rear of the truck, secured by a winch. To lower it, insert the jack handle into the winch mechanism, usually accessible near the rear bumper. Turn the handle counterclockwise to loosen the clamp. It may require some force, so wear gloves. Once loose, pull the spare tire down and out. Now, for the jack and tools, typically they're stored under the rear seat. Fold the seat forward to access the compartment where you'll find the jack and lug wrench. The jack is a scissor-type hydraulic model. Make sure to inspect it for any damage before use. To change a flat tire, first park on a flat, stable surface. Engage the parking brake and use wheel wedges to secure the other wheels. Loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire while it's still on the ground, turning counterclockwise, but don't remove them completely yet. Next, position the jack at the designated jacking points on the vehicle's frame. Refer to your owner's manual. Jack up the vehicle until the flat tire is off the ground. Now, fully remove the lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Mount the spare tire, aligning the holes with the studs. Hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern before lowering the vehicle. Once the vehicle is on the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts with the lug wrench. If you have a torque wrench, tighten them to 83 feet-pounds. Finally, store the tools and flat tire and get your tire professionally repaired as soon as possible.